Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and CSC Guide official.com website. Today I will tell you about those universities whose deadline is 30th of April. Means the universities having deadline before 30th of April or 30th of April. So we discuss in this video. This is the second phase. We also upload the first phase on our YouTube channel, but this video is in Urdu, not in English, but the second phase in English and the third phase will also come tomorrow in English, inshallah, as well. Okay, so let's start. So first you type CSC Guide official in Google, click on the first link. When you click on first link, you can reach our website cscguideofficial.com and click on CSC scholarship admissions, and you can get every information about Chinese government scholarship here. So let's start. First university have the university name is Inner Mongolia Normal University. This university have just this university have online apply and send documents, but I suggest you where type send documents to university address means you need to send documents to the university address, two sets of your documents. Okay, two sets of complete means you put documents in duplicate. Okay, but the problem is that due to current situation in coronavirus, you confirm the university first, either they demand hard copies or not, because mostly 90% universities have just online apply, no need to send hard copies. They mention on the website that they need documents, but they don't demand due to current situation. So email first to the official address or email address and ask about your hard copies, for scholarship. Okay, now let's start. Third is Chinese government scholarship in Inner Mongolia University. This scholarship is for master, PhD and undergraduate students as well. So you can see 10th of April 2020 is the last date. For age limits for bachelor's 25, for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. Okay, how you apply for this scholarship? First you fill the CSC online application form. Click here to fill the online application form. How you fill this form, how you fill Chinese government scholarship online application form, click here to watch videos in English. Okay, now the second one, no application fee. Result will be announced at the end of July and send documents to the university address, but I suggest you must ask from the university that they demand hard copies or not. Okay, now how and if you want to apply for Southwest Jiaotong University President Scholarship, you can apply. Click here to read what documents required for which documents required for Inner Mongolia Normal University Chinese Government Scholarship. The first one is CSC online application form, and the second one is recommendation letter, transcript of highest education, highest degree, physical examination form, and research plan or study plan. Not less than 800 words minimum, passport photocopy, English proficiency certificate, and a CD of your own works for art students. Okay, and if they demand, for example, if they demand hard copies, then if your any friends in China, ask to him, please send my documents, and if he send your documents to the university, then university will accept it. Okay, on the next one is Sichuan University. This is for master and PhD students as well. Undergraduate students maybe can apply, but for master and PhD it's master and PhD students can apply. Send documents to the university email address early April. Early April means the first week or first 10 days of April. So you can apply for this scholarship. Documents you need to send documents, but confirm from the university email address. This is the university email address here, and ask from them they demand hard copies or not. But if they demand hard copies means if you send email to them that we are locked down and we cannot go outside due to coronavirus, and no courier service working these days. Okay, so they will give you some relaxation about documents. Okay, all international students can apply bachelor, master and PhD. Age limits you can see: 25 for bachelor, 35 for master and 40 for PhD. So how you apply for this scholarship? The main story: first you fill the CSC online application form. How you fill this form? Click here, and no application fees will be announced at the end of July. And which documents required for this scholarship? CSC form, recommendation letter, transcript, highest degree, physical examination form, study plan, research proposal, and all these things. Okay, and the next one is University of Finance and Technology, Beijing. Okay, USTB, University of Science and Technology, Beijing. Okay, master and PhD. This is only for master and PhD. 15th of April is last date. Just online apply. No need to send hard documents. So here is you can see. Send documents to the university, but many students apply. My friends are also applying this university, so they don't send any documents. But this university have 600 RMB application fee. Okay, how you apply for this scholarship? Eligibility criteria for scholarship: all international students, age limit 35 and 40 years. It is not mandatory. And how you apply for the scholarship: first you fill the CSC online application form. Click here to fill the CSC online application form. Second, you fill the university online application form. Click here to fill the university online application form. But the problem is that when you fill the online application form, university online application form, first is personal information, second is documents upload, and the third one is pay the application fee online, and fourth step is submit the application form. Your form will not be submitted until you pay the 600 RMB application fee. So keep in mind, 600 RMB application fee is necessary because some universities demanding application fee when you pass the initial review, but this university cannot. This university demand the application fee before submitting that application form, otherwise your form will not be submitted without paying the application fee. So required documents is CSC online application form, CSC online application form for university. You click here to fill highest degree, transcript, personal statement. Click here to download the personal statement sample, because you make the personal statement your personal statement according to this sample. Okay, click here to download. 2 recommendation letters, supporting documents, photocopy, and these kind of things. All these information are same. If you have acceptance letter, then make your acceptance letter according to this format. Click here to download. But if you don't have acceptance letter and want to apply for this scholarship, then you can, because acceptance letter is not mandatory, it's optional. Okay, now let's start the next one. Guangxi University Chinese Government Scholarship. Okay, authority is Chinese Government Scholarship. University names Guangxi University for undergraduate, master and PhD students, fully funded to 2,500 RMB for bachelor students and 3,000 RMB for master and 33,500 RMB for PhD students. Send documents to the university. 30th of April 2020 is the last date. But this university, ask from this university about hard copies. This is the email address which you send email or call to the university directly. You can ask from them they demand hard copies or not, because due to current situation. Please tell them this current situation in your country. Okay, CSC, how you apply for this scholarship? All the criteria are same for other universities. Like other universities, CSC online application forms. University fill the first fill CSC online application form. Click here. Second, you fill university online application form. Click here, and no application fee. Result will be announced at the end of July, and send documents. Okay, now if you apply for Southwest Geotang, you can apply for this scholarship as well. Okay, if they demand hard copies, you keep in mind that they demand 4 sets of hard copies, means quadruplicate. Okay, CSC documents required for CSC online application form, recommendation letter, transcript. All these things are same. Click here to apply on university website, means this is the portal of university portal, English proficiency certificate as well. And click here to check your major in which major they are for scholarship. So click here to check your major as well. Okay, now the next one is Shanghai International Studies University and Chinese Government Scholarship. Shanghai International Studies University, Chinese Government Scholarship, and Shanghai Government Scholarship as well. Okay, Shanghai Government Scholarship and Chinese Government Scholarship is the authority, both two types of scholarship. This is and if you your 3 application has been fulfilled and you want to apply for other scholarship, you can apply for Shanghai government scholarship as well. The stipend is same like CSC, and all these facilities are same like CSC. Okay, for master and PhD students, and Shanghai government scholarship is for bachelor students as well, but CSC scholarship for Shanghai International Studies University only for PhD and master students, not for bachelor. But Shanghai government scholarship is for bachelor. Okay, bachelor as well. Scholarship types: fully funded, CSC and Shanghai government scholarship same stipend, 3,500, 3,000 and 3,500. Okay, online plans and documents, but confirm from the university first. They demand hard copies are not due to current situation. Early April is the deadline. All international students age limits you can see to 25, 35 and 40. Okay, how to apply for this scholarship? First you fill the CSC online application form. If you apply for, in Shanghai International Studies University Chinese government scholarship, then you fill the CSC online application form and CSC online application form and university online application form. But if you are applying for Shanghai government scholarship only in Shanghai University International Studies, then you fill the Shanghai government scholarship application form and university application form. University application form filled in both the condition if you applying for Shanghai and CSC. But if you applying for CSC scholarship, then you don't fill the Shanghai government scholarship application form. Just fill CSC application form and online application form of university application portal. But if you applying for Shanghai government scholarship, then you don't fill CSC online application form. I don't know either you can apply for both these scholarships or not, but if you it's mentioned on the website when you fill the online application form, if there is any option to fill there is any option to apply for both the scholarship, then you can. Otherwise you apply for one scholarship at a time in a university, because some university have conditions to you can apply both or all the scholarship in one university you can apply, but some universities have restrictions, then you can apply only one university scholarship at a time. Okay. Second, you fill the university online application form. This is the university application form. You can clearly mention, you can see here, if you applying for Shanghai government scholarship application form, you don't need to fill CSC form. You fill Shanghai government scholarship application form. Second, you fill university online application form, upload all required documents, 8 RMB application fee, and online application. When you fill the online application, you must pay the online 800 RMB application fee. Result will be announced at the end of July. Okay, and how you apply for the required documents? What is the required document? CSC online application form, Shanghai International Studies online application form, highest degree, transcript, personal statement. Personal statement is like study plan in which you describe yourself, and also describe what you have to do, what you will be doing when you come to China. So, two recommendation letter, passport photoCopy, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate is enough. If you are still looking for any other scholarship like Xi'an Road and Belt City, you can apply here. Okay. The next one is Shanghai University Shanghai government scholarship. Shanghai University Shanghai government scholarship and Shanghai University Shanghai Chinese government scholarship, both are the same. And what is the difference between Shanghai government scholarship and Chinese government scholarship in Shanghai University? The difference is that when you apply for Shanghai University Shanghai government scholarship, you fill Shanghai government scholarship application form and click here to apply Shanghai University application form. Okay. And if you applying for Shanghai government scholarship, Shanghai University Chinese government scholarship, then you need to fill CSC online application form and university online application form. Okay, you don't need to fill Shanghai government scholarship application form. Okay, no, let's start. And what is the very important thing this for Shanghai University, I will tell you. Okay. This is for master and PhD students. Okay, and bachelor part stipend is same like CSC. No need to send hard copies, just online apply. 15th of April 2020 is the last date for applying. Okay, bachelor 35, for master 35, and for PhD 40 years. You can apply with English proficiency certificate as well. First you fill Shanghai online application form, second you fill university Shanghai application form, click here, and for university application form click here. Okay, and upload all required documents and pay the application fee. When your initial review will be cleared, then you need to pay 500 RMB application fee. But if your major is in Chinese, when you fill the online application form, you can see you can check all the majors. If your major is in Chinese, then you must have HSK 4. If you applying for this scholarship without HSK, then your application will be rejected. You cannot, your initial review will not be passed. Okay, so this these things keep in mind. And which documents required for this scholarship? Shanghai government scholarship application form, Shanghai government scholarship university online application form, highest degree transcript, study plan, recommendation letter, passport copy, physical examination form, English proficiency, except all these are same. And 3 minutes introduction video. In this video, you will describe yourself, what should you do, and from which country you belong, and what's your plan in China. When you come to China, what should you do, and after your master or PhD studies, what you want to do. So all these things will be described in your 3 minutes video, and upload it on Shanghai online application portal. And this link is that, click here to download this financial support. This is just formality, but you download and fill it and upload it on university online application portal. Okay, this thing. And CSC scholarship is same. Chinese Shanghai government scholarship, Shanghai University Chinese government scholarship is same like CSC scholarship here. Okay, but the difference between these two is that when you apply for CSC scholarship in Shanghai University, you need to fill CSC online application form, and you don't fill Shanghai government scholarship online application form. But the main and important thing is in this university is that you can apply for both Shanghai and CSE scholarship at a time. But it's happened when you fill the online application form for CSE scholarship, Shanghai scholarship, and Shanghai online application form, university online application form. Then and after you're passing the initial review and paying the application fee, they ask to they ask you that you can select the option in which scholarship you apply. When you fill the university online application form, then they ask to you. So you can apply, check both the CSE and Shanghai, both the options. So it means you can apply for both scholarship, CSE and Shanghai government scholarship in Shanghai University. Okay, but this university have 500 RMB application fee. Now Tongji University Chinese government scholarship, Shanghai government scholarship, sorry, Tongji University Shanghai government scholarship, all are the same. You can see 10th of April 2020 is the last date. No need to send hard copies. How you apply for this scholarship, eligibility criteria you can see all international, age limits 35 and 40 years. And how to apply for the scholarship: first you fill the Shanghai government scholarship application forms, click here. Second, you fill the university online application form, click here. And after the upload all required documents on both the portals and submit it, and pay that 400 RMB application fee. This is the bank detail in which you deposit 410 RMB application fee. Result will be announced at the end of July. Okay. And for required documents is first one: Shanghai government scholarship, Dongji University online application form, copies of highest degree transcript, statement, 800 RMB for 800 words for master, and PhD for PhD 1500 words. Okay, two recommendation letter, passport photocopy, physical examination form, papers or articles will be published, English proficiency certificate, and acceptance letter. It's not mandatory. Okay, now came to the next university, Tokyo University Chinese government scholarship. This is Shanghai government scholarship. This one is Shanghai government scholarship, and this one is Chinese government scholarship. All the procedure and all the steps are same, but instead of filling Shanghai government scholarship, you must fill the CSE online application form. Click here to fill the CSE online application form. For both scholarships, you must have to pay 410 RMB application fee, and no need to send hard copies, and all the documents required are same. But you can see the first step is you must fill CSE online application form for Chinese government scholarship in Tongji University. But in for the Tongji University Shanghai government scholarship, you must to fill Shanghai government scholarship application form. And this is the difference between these two, and all the others are all the other procedures is same. Now the next one is East China Normal University eCust. Okay, you must send documents, but you confirm from the university first that you need to send hard copies or not. 10th of April 2020 is the last date. How you apply for the scholarship: first you fill the CSE online application form and prepared all documents and send to the university address. This is the address, and this is the email address: College of International Education. Ask from them, they demand hard copies or not. Click here to apply on CSE online application form. This university have just online application form, no need to apply on university portal. And these are the documents which you upload on CSE online application form. And the next one is Shandong Normal University. Shandong Normal University online application, online apply 15th of April 2020 is the last date. Okay, and 3000, this is for master and PhD students. All international students can apply. Age limit you can see. And how to apply for the scholarship. Fill the CSC online application form, upload all documents required. No need to apply on university portal, just online apply. Click here to apply on CSC online application form. And how you apply for, how you fill the CSC online application form, click here. Two sets of documents. First you fill CSC online application form, highest degree, transcript, study plan, research proposal not less than 800 words, two recommendation letter, passport, photocopy, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate, a copy of HSK certificate, and yet students submit a CD of two sketches for two color printing for, this is for art students. And this is the mail address in which you send your documents. First ask from the university first that they demand hard copies or not. Click call to them and ask them. Okay, China 3 gorgeous University Silk Road scholarship. Silk Road scholarship is for bachelors only. And Silk Road, one road one belt countries students can apply 2,500 RMB for bachelors. Online apply, just online apply, no need to send hard copies. On their official website you can see they demand hard copies, but we confirm from the university they don't demand any hard copies. 30th of April 2020 is the last date. Okay, age limit for bachelor 25. You must fill the CSC online application form first. Click here and after filling CSC online application form, click here to form university online application portal. How you fill this, click here to watch the video. Which documents required? CSC online application form, 3 gorgeous university online application form, highest degree, transcript, study plan, all these things. And no criminal certificate required, means police clearance certificate is necessary. 5 minutes introduction video. You can must make a video name with and video and name of the video is passport, your passport number and full name, and send it to your official to their official email address. This is the email address in which you send your introduction video. So introduction video, describe yourself and whatever you want. Okay, now the next, and the main thing is that only undergraduate students, only civil engineering students can apply. If you apply for civil engineering, if you applying for major in civil engineering, then you can apply, otherwise not. China 3 gorgeous university, CTGU, Chinese government scholarship. And Chinese government scholarship, Chinese university program is for master and PhD students. All the procedure is same, just online apply. 30th of February 2020 is the last date. Okay, age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. You can see how you apply for the scholarship. First you fill the CSC online application form, second you fill the university online application form, and just check your status daily. No need to send hard copies. These are the required documents, like China 3 gorgeous university Silk Road program. Okay, all these are themes. No criminal certificate, 5 minutes required video, introduction video required in this university as well, for this scholarship as well. Xiamen University Fusion Principal Scholarship, this university have just online apply. 15th of April 2020 is the last date. The stipend is 30,000 RMB per year for bachelor, 40 for master, and 50 for PhD. Okay, 20 new seats for new students, 20 seats. Criteria, you can see eligibility criteria. All international students can apply, bachelor, master, and 25 and 40 years. Okay, how you apply for the scholarship? First you fill the Xiamen University online application form. Click here to fill, upload all required documents. Okay, on this application form. And which documents required? First you download the application form of Fusion Provincial Scholarship. Click here to download highest degree, transcript, study plan, CV, recommendation letter. All these things are same. And first you must check the program list. For bachelor, click here. For master, click here. For PhD, click here to check which program list they offer for scholarship. Okay. Xiamen University non-KK scholarship, and this is for this is not for sorry, this is not for all international. This is for only for ethnic Chinese, for countries along with the maritime Silk Road. So this is for other, this is for ethnic Chinese. Okay, so international students cannot apply. Xiamen University Chinese government scholarship 2020-21. 15th of April 2020 is the last date. Just online apply. No need to send hard copies. 3,000 RMB for master and 3,500 RMB for PhD. All international students can apply. Master and PhD students. This is just only for master and PhD students. How you apply for this scholarship? First you fill the CSC online application form. Click here to fill. Second you fill the Xiamen University online application form. Click here to fill, and pay the 400 RMB application fee. This is the point. Okay, now so documents required for CSC scholarship: online application form, Shyamar University highest degree, transcript, study plan, CV, recommendation letter, passport photocopy, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate, published papers, all these things if you have. And main thing is which majors they offer scholarship, in which major, so click here. Okay, the next one is Tianjin Polytechnical University. So this was the 10th of April 2020 is the last date. You must confirm from the university that they demand hard copies or not. So this is the this is the where is the email address, or but there is no email address. So if you want to get the email address, then click go to the official advertisement of this university. Click here to go to the official advertisement. Okay, and if you want to call them directly, then this is the number in which you call. Okay, and how you apply for the scholarship: first you fill the CSC online application form, second you fill the Tianjin Polytechnical University online application form. Mistakenly type here the Lenzhou University of Technology, so instead of Lenzhou University of Technology you fill the Tianjin Polytechnical form. So click here to fill the CSC online application form, click here to fill the Tianjin Polytechnical University online application form. How you fill this: you watch this video, and these are the documents which they required. Okay, the next one is China Medical University. I think this is for medical students, but the other students can also check either they apply or not. Okay, you can see China CPU master and PhD students fully funded scholarship 3,000 for master and 3,500 for PhD. Online applied and documents 15th of April 2020 is the last date. All students can apply for master 35 and for 40 PhD students. Okay, how you apply for the scholarship: CSC online application form, CSC form, and Northeast Normal University only. Sorry, this is Northeast Normal University. Mistakenly type here. You fill the China for a medical form. Okay, click here to fill the CSC online application form, and click here to fill the China for medical university online application form. Okay, and upload on it. When you pass the when your selection will be confirmed, then they demand to pay the 2,000 RMB application fee. Means security fees. When you come to China, when you reach in China, then they will return you. It means it's refundable. It's because they demand this. Some students got admission but cannot go to the university, so their seat will be wasted. So that's why they demand to for security reason they asked to pay the 2,000 RM application fee. It will be returned, so don't worry about this. So after filling the both application form, check your status. Result will be announced at the end of July. This is the school of address in which you send your documents, but confirm from the university. This is the email address and this is the phone number. Confirm from the university. They demand hard copies or not. You must tell your current situation to them that we are locked down, we cannot go outside, courier service will not be worked yet, so what should we do? We don't send hard copies. So they tell you, they give you some relaxation that you don't need to send hard copies. So okay, click here to apply on CSC portal. Click here to apply and you see university online application form, and these are the documents required for these scholarships. All these documents are same, so don't worry about this. Okay, Shan University Chinese Government Scholarship, Silk Road Scholarship, and Silk Road Scholarship. So you can see Silk Road Scholarship is only for material sciences, not for bachelors. Okay, this scholarship is for master and PhD students. 30th of April 2020 is the last date, but on students must confirm from the university they demand hard copies or not. This is the email address. You can see how you apply for the scholarship. First you fill the CSC online application form. Second, no need to apply on university portal, just online apply on CSC application forms. If you think that how we know that our application is be accepted and our status will be changed, because this university don't have any university online application portal apply. Must keep in mind that when you fill the CSC online application form, when you put the agency number of this university, then your application will be submitted, and a file will be shown in their computer system on the in ISO of this university. Then a list will be shown, and the students who submit the CSC online application form putting this agency number, they show they get your submit the submitted form. So don't worry about this, that this university don't have university apply. So how they check our online application form? When you submit the CSC online application form, there your data will be received from in university. So when you withdraw it, then your application will be removed from their systems. So don't worry about this if you are submit the first and withdraw it. Okay, but if you apply for CSE scholarship, then don't withdraw your form in which university you want to apply. Okay, these are the documents which you send or which you upload on CS online application portal. And the next university is Anhui University. Anhui University is early April is the last date. Early April means first 10 days or 15 days. 3000 RMB for master and 3000 RMB for PhD, 3500 RMB. All international students can apply master and PhD for 35 and 40 years. How you apply? CSE file CSE online application form. No need to apply on university portal. Just CSE online application form, and this is the mailing address in which you send your documents. Okay, just online apply on CSE, and these are the documents which you required. Okay, the next one, Anhui Agriculture University, 30th of April 2020 is the last date on online apply and send documents. But confirm from the university first that they demand hard copies or not, and 400 RMB application fee as well. If you are in China, then you pay the application fee in this bank, and if you are out of China, means in another country, you must pay the application fee to this bank account. Okay, and this is the email address from which you confirm that they demand hard copies or not. Click here to apply on CSE online. How you apply for the scholarship? First, you fill the CSE online application form. Second, you fill the Anhui Agriculture University online application form. Click here and upload all the required documents. Click here to fill on CSE, and click here to fill on university online application form. These are the documents which they required. Not nothing is changed. Okay, photocopy of applicant receipt must upload. This is the minimum 60. I think this is just for formality, not it don't have any value. The photocopy of applicant's receipt. And this China University of Petroleum Chinese Government Scholarship, CUP, Chinese Government Scholarship, send documents. But 15th of April 2020 is the last date. I think they don't demand hard copies, but ask from the university first. This is the email address. How you apply for the scholarship? Fill the CSE online application form. No need to send on university, no apply on university portal. Just have CSE apply. No application fee. Click here to apply on CSE online application form. And these are the documents which they required. If you are friends in China, they also send your documents from China to university, so they accept it. So you send your documents through email to your friend, and your friend will print those documents and send it to university email address. And you can see, note, send your application documents through Shenfeng Express or DHL only, not send any other courier service. These are the documents which they required. Okay, the next one is Hohai University. Hohai University, just have online apply. No need to pay application fee. But I think this university have 200 RMB application fee. So when you fill the online application form, they demand 200 RMB application fee. Note, you can see CSE scholarship is this university have Chinese government scholarship and university scholarship as well. CSE scholarship has just for master and PhD, but university scholarship have just for PhD, for bachelor students as well. And for stipend for university scholarship is 1700 for master, 2000 for PhD, and I think 14 or 1500 for bachelor students. So just online apply, no need to send hard copies. CSE scholarship, first you fill CSE online application form, and after filling CSE online, click here to fill CSE online application form. For CSE Hawaii University scholarship application form, you fill for after filling CSE online application form, you must fill Hawaii University online application form. But if you applying for Hawaii University only, then you don't need to fill CSE online application form. You just fill University online application form, Hawaii University. Okay, these are the documents which you require to upload on both Hawaii University and CSE online application form portal. The next one is Chongqing University Chinese Government Scholarships, Chongqing University CQ Silk Road Scholarship, and you can see Chinese Government Scholarship, and no need to send hard copies, just online apply. This is for master and bachelor students. Okay, and 15th of April 2020 is the last date. How you apply for the scholarship? First, you fill the CSE online application form. After filling CSE form, you must fill Chongqing University online application form. This is the bank in which you pay the 400 RMB application fee. When you fill the CSE university online application form, they automatically your status is shown that like that you pay the application fee. Need to pay the application fee, so you pay the application fee. Without paying application fee for Chinese for Chongqing University, your application will not be forward. So pay the application fee first. Fill CSE online application form. After filling CSE, you must fill university online application form here. Okay, CSC online form, highest degree, transcript, personal statement. In personal statement, you can see submit your personal statement indicating your past academic background, study plan, research proposal, not less than 800 word. Two recommendation letter, CV, curriculum vitae. In this, you describe yourself, educational background, experience, and all these things. Upload your physical examination form with blood test report, electrocardiograph, and X-ray report as well. Click here to download. Okay, certificate of no criminal record for English proficiency certificate, acceptance letter, and click here to download the format. And these are the documents which you must upload on Chongqing University online application portal and CSC portal as well. Chinese government scholarship, Chongqing University Chinese government scholarship, Chinese university program. You can see this is for master and PhD students. 15th of April 2020 is the last date. All these procedures is same like Silk Road Chinese government scholarship. In Chongqing University, fill CSC form, university form, Chongqing University form, pay the 400 RMA application fee, and fill the CSC form. Click here, university form. Click here, and these are the documents which you must upload on university portal. And this one is Chinese government scholarship, CSC, Huang University of Science and Technology, Hurst. This is in Wuhan. I think first in previous days the condition is not good, but no, it's everything is fine in Wuhan. So the students who apply for scholarship in Hurst University or in Wuhan city, your chances of application will be high. Okay, no, due to current situation. See how you apply for the scholarship. First, fill CSC online application form. Second, fill university online application form and pay the 600 RM application fee. No need to send hard copies. Okay, click here to apply CSC portal on university portal, and these are the documents which you upload on university portal. Okay, the next one is Chinese government scholarship, Harvard Engineering University. 15th of April 2020 is the last date. Need to send hard copies, but confirm. This is the email address. Confirm from the university that they demand hard copies are not due to current situation. 3000 RMB for master, 3500 RMB for PhD. So just online apply, no need to send hard copies. Just CSC. After first you fill the CSC online application form. Second, you fill the Harvard Engineering online application form. Okay, CSC online application form. Click here to fill, and university application form. Click here to fill the required documents. First, you fill the CSC form, university form, highest degree, transcript, study plan. Click here to download the sample, and make your study plan according to this sample. Not use your own sample. Because the universities having demanding the own sample of their own university, you make your study plan or research plan according to this sample. Recommendation letter for physical examination form, no criminal certificate, recording professional certificate, supervisor acceptance letter. Click here. So the envelope, you can see the envelope of application package should be marked application for marine scholarship of China 2020. Means if they first ask from the university, first they demand hard copies or not. If they demand, then you must send. Wuhan University Chinese government scholarship. You can say the first they extend the date to till 20th of April, because the first the deadline is 31st of March, but now they extend to 20th of April. Okay, no need to apply, no need to send hard copies, just online apply. Master for that's just for master and PhD. And how you apply for the scholarship, CSC, fill the CSC form. Click here. Fill the university form, Wuhan University form. Click here. And not when university announced the CSC scholarship in April or mid. They demand the hard copies when you are accepted. Means everything is fine and you will be select. When you select, then they demand to send hard copies. It will happen I think in May, at the end of May or in the early July. Okay. Required documents, you can see all these are same. Click here to go to the official advertisement, and must keep in mind that in official advertisement they mention some measures on these measures which they show on their website. Only those students will be accepted. To those who they mention some measures on their website. Okay, no other measures will be accepted. Okay, the next one is Chinese government scholarship, Lanzhou Jiaotang University, and this first 30th of April 2020 is the last date. This is for master and PhD students as well. Okay, just online apply, send documents, but confirm from the university. This is the email address. Confirm from the university first. They demand hard copies or not. How you apply for the scholarship? First, you fill the CSC online application form, just and pay the application fee. And this is the click here to apply on CSC portal. These are the documents which they required. Okay, the next one is Zhejiang Gongshang University, just online things that send documents, but 15th of April 2020 is the last date. This is for president scholarship, 1700 for master, 2000 RMB for PhD. First fill a CSC online application form. First fill the form and send two documents. How you apply for the scholarship? First you fill the university online application form. Click here and pay the application fee for 400 RMB. This is the account in which you deposit the application fees. That will be announced at the end of July. This is the email address which you confirm, or this is the phone number which you confirm that they demand hard copies or not. And these are the documents which you upload or send it to the university application portal. And this is the last one. The last one is Chinese government scholarship, Henan University of Chinese government scholarship. Okay, you can see end of April is the last date. Apply method not confirmed yet, because you can confirm it from the university. This is the email address. You can confirm it from them. Just this is just for PhD scholars, PhD students, not for only students for bachelor or master. So click here to apply on university CSC portal. Click here to apply on university portal, and these are the documents which they required. Okay, click here to go to the official advertisement for undergraduates. So undergraduate students can also apply. Click here. Okay, if you for official advertisement, click here. So this is the second phase, and the inshallah third phase will come tomorrow. And those universities, some universities have deadline in May. So we also make videos for in those universities, so wait for this. But the university is having deadline 30th of April. Before 30th of April we make video for third phase. Come tomorrow. Good luck and take care of you.